Hello everybody, welcome to Chinese Pod. I'm Joy.
And I'm Joe.
And today we're going to talk about the Chinese character Kai.
好开心
Oh, 好可爱哦. So cute. 开心. So Kai means open. 开心, open heart. Actually, that means to be very happy. So we're going to talk about the physical definition of open, and we'll also talk about beginning or starting something. Let's check out our phrases today. All right, so the verb for open is 打开. 打开, so that's third tone, first tone.
打开
But when we say open something, we omit the first word and we just say 开. So what are some things that we can open or commonly open?
Open 开电视
Oh, 开电视, to turn on the TV.
So it's interesting. Like,
Open the TV.
yeah, in Chinese we say open and close, but actually it means to turn it on.
Yeah, exactly. So 开电视, to turn on the TV. What else do we open? Doors.
开门
开门, open the door. So I can say, 请帮我开门.
好我帮你 Like, can you help me or help me open the door? Yes, I'll help you. And what else could we open or turn on?
Open. Open the light.
Oh, open the light. 开灯
开灯. 太暗了，可以开灯吗？
It's too dark. Can you help me to open the light?
So we have 开 and we place any noun after that to indicate the thing that you're opening.
So this was the first definition of 开, which means to open something or to turn on in some cases. What was the second definition you mentioned?
That would be to start or to begin.
And what does the verb to start mean in Chinese?
开始.
开始
开始. So the complete verb again is two words. But when we want to start something, we can omit the second one. And based on the context, we know which meaning it fits into, the one we just talked about or this one. The first word I'm going to give you is to have a meeting. 开会. That's like open up a conference. So that's the verb to have a meeting. 开会. So I can say, Joe, 你有空吗?
我没有空
Oh, what are you doing?
下午要开会
下午要开会. So Joe's busy, he's not free, because in the afternoon he's going to have a meeting. So besides a meeting, what else can we start? I know Joe's in school, so I can say, when does your school semester begin? And that would be 开学.
开学
To begin your studies, literally. Joe, 你什么时候开学?
9月开学
9月. So he's starting school in September.
I have another one. What would your mom yell or say when she wants to get you to the dinner table when the meal is like prepared?
Oh, like when we're ready to eat? She'll say, 开饭了.
开饭了
The rice is opened.
Yeah, like it's opened.
It means we're about to eat. So she might say, 开饭了,快来吃吧. So besides open, I have another use for the word 开. That phrase is 走开,走开.
走开 which
走开,
is
go away.
because 走 is to walk, right? And 开, okay, to open.
Yeah.
It's still related to open, right?
Is
Because
it?
like, yeah, I think it's kind of nice to remember when you have this word. It seems like, okay, so 开, like you walk away, make space, open up space, so you walk away. Like, leave me alone, make up some space.
Clear my space. Oh, I like that. It's okay. Clear my space. Okay, I also have another one that's 离开. Similar meaning, same thing, different words though. 离 is to leave, and then 开 here is away. So 离开 is leave. 走开, walk away. 离开, leave.
I think it's like, oh, wait, 离开 is 离开, right? Okay. 走开 is always used for walking away, right? 离开 could be anything, right? I could like go away by car, by walking, just like to leave.
Okay, for example, 坐车离开,我坐车离开. I am taking a car to leave by means of a car.
Yep.
instead of 走开, physically leaving, walking away. That's a good point. Okay, and one more is 放开.
放开, like to leave me alone.
放开, let go.
Let go.
Because 放 is like release.
Oh yeah. 放.
So when we release open, it's like let go. Okay, let me think of how to use 放开 to let go in a sentence. 放开我的手，放开我的手。I have a boyfriend.
好，我离开。
别走开。
好开心。
Aw, we're so dramatic.
Okay, now that we have talked about all these words related to kai, let's recap them. We had the first definition of kai, which is to open something or to turn on electronic devices. So we had open the door
开门，
or open the television
开电视
and open the
light,
light.
开灯
The next usage for kai was in the meaning of to begin something. So we had, for example, kai hui.
开会 to have a meeting.
We had to start the semester or start studying.
开学
And we had, what was that?
we're about to eat. 开饭了
And the last thing we talked about was kai in a sense of like make some space, open up or leave. What were the three words here?
走开 walk away, get out, which is pretty rude when it stands alone. I can say 离开 to leave, neutral. And also 放开 about what just happened, let go. Okay, speaking of what just happened, 开玩笑
We were kidding.
were we?
Yes.
All right, so that last one, 开玩笑, that was to begin a joke or to make a joke. All right, if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Thank you for joining us for this episode. I'm Joy.
And I'm Joe.
See you next time.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Introducing Chinese Pod Recap, the app with fast summary lessons. How much time do you have? Join us in the beta program. For more info, go to ChinesePod.com/recap.